Is your Zipcar alarm constantly blaring? The most common culprits are app lock synchronization issues and faulty door switches. The Zipcar app uses Bluetooth and GPS to unlock and lock vehicles. If the app isn't updated, there's signal interference, or you're not logged in with the correct account, the car might think it's being accessed without authorization. Modern Zipcars also have sensors on doors and trunks. If a door isn't fully closed or the sensor malfunctions, the alarm can trigger. Don't worry though, there are ways to fix it. Ensuring your app is up to date, you're within Bluetooth range, 10 to 20 meters, and the door is fully closed are critical first steps. A manual lock cycle using the app can also help recalibrate the system. If basic fixes don't work, try these troubleshooting steps. First, use the app's force reset feature. This is often the quickest solution. If that doesn't work, contact Zipcar support for a remote reset. They can override the local alarm and recalibrate sensors. AI-driven chatbots are available for quicker resets, but direct calls are often better for complex synchronization problems. If the problem persists, especially with older models, a faulty door switch may be to blame. Document the issue and report it to Zipcar. They may send a technician to replace the switch.